Hi, I'm Andrew Spainhower with McMullin Injury Law, and I'm going to be reacting to some of May's wildest crashes that happened here in southern Utah that were captured by collision cam. So we've got Sunset and Dixie Drive, light goes yellow. Oh no. Okay, yeah, so we got a fail to yield on a left turn situation there. The light was about to go red, but that motorcycle made it into the intersection. You gotta wait not only for the light to go red, but then make sure that the cars have stopped and that you've yielded to cars going straight before we make those left turns. Now we're on River Road and 100 South over by Red Rock Oh, traffic's backing. I can tell traffic is backing up. Yeah, it does that. So rear end, that truck rear ends that car, long line of traffic right there. Everybody's got to get into target. That lane backs up real quick. Now we're out by the mall. Failure to yield, left turn again. Oh my gosh, and a motorcycle again. That one was scary. Obviously, he was standing up after, so hopefully he's okay. But yeah, it's another left turn situation. Here we are at the intersection of Death, River Road and Riverside. If I had to guess, I bet you we're going to see a left turn situation. Oh, yep. Okay, so all three of those cars went. There's cars trying to beat the light, going straight, and then there's cars making that left-hand turn, and the first two were able to go. That third car got lulled to sleep, because now the light's about to go red, and he sees the cars in front of him going. People do this all the time, so he thinks that he's going, when really, every single car has to stop and watch if there's a gap for you or not. SR9 out towards Hurricane, looks like. Oh. So that was out of frame. I can't tell exactly what happened there, but clearly that was where the crash was. Something happened because this car then, went into oncoming traffic and then pulled off, but I couldn't see exactly what went on there. It looked like maybe a side swipe, a merging lanes issue. Now we're in like downtown Hurricane, and we've got an intersection. So maybe watching for rear ends or for failure to yield left turns. Failure to yield left turn, light goes red after the car's already in the intersection. They made it. Should they have been trying to beat the light? I mean, you could argue that, but that car that's going straight is always in the right there. Even if they're trying to beat a light and could have stopped, you have to yield to the cars going straight and not make that left turn. Apparently they love making those left turns out in Hurricane just like we do in St. George. But hope everybody's okay, and thanks for tuning in.